Did you get it? I pulled out the camera and you guys had to have the camera case. Is it what you wanted it to be? Is that what you wanted it to be? Is it just as delicious? You gonna sit on your butt now? Bring it with you. Uh-oh. You left it behind. Can you still reach it? Wow. You're a big girl. So you got that all figured out now, huh? That was a good burp. Do you say hi? Hi. Say ha chi 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 cha. Hi. Ha chi 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 cha. 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 Really? Ha chi 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 cha. Are you gonna stand up? Grace. Grace, does that go on your head? Does that go on your head? Grace, does that go on your head? Huh? Does that go on your head? Want to try to put it on your head? Put it on your head? Good girl. You tried. I appreciate you trying. Is it tasty? You say mama? Mama? Grace, you say mama? Mama. Mama? Mama. How about pop? Say pop? No, he's not home. You're looking for him though, huh? Yeah, he's not home. He'll be home soon. Is it your book? Grace. Grace. Hey, Grace. Where's Piggy? Where's Piggy? Piggy. That's your book. Where's Piggy? Where's the pig? Where's the pig? Grace, where's the pig? The pig. Where's he at? You gonna play with your toy? Gotta turn it on. Hi, big girl. Are you gonna turn it on? You gotta turn it on. Make it make noise. Yeah, super cool. Careful. Yay! See, I don't need to crawl. Who wants to crawl? I'll just stand up. Do what I feel like. There you go. Yeah, that thing's not spinning for some reason. Good job. You gonna choke yourself? You gonna stand up? You gonna stand up? Grace? Grace? Hey, Grace. Psst. Where's Piggy? That's your book. Where's Piggy? Where's the pig? The pig. That's your book. Close down. I know you think that's a pig. Feet are stuck. Gotta get them out from under you. Those are mice. That's your pig. Piggy, piggy, piggy. And I said it when you looked at the book. Your leg's tired? You've been doing lots of exercise today. Up! Up! Are you up? Up! So big. So big. So big. Where you going? Where you going? What are you looking for? You gonna play with your toy? Oh, sleepy head. What's for? Do you want to run to the store? Yeah, it's not singing like it usually does. We need to change the setting.
It's music time.
There you go. Now you can make them sing. So big. So big.
Push the butterfly button to hear a song.
Pony. Piggy. Yay! Dance. Grace, dance. Dee 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 dee. Dance. Dance, dance. Dance, dance. Dance, dance. Yeah, good girl. You're dancing. Yeah, that's a sticker. It's coming off.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow.
A moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere.
Clean is how I start each day, then get dirty as I play.
Romping in a muddy pool that helps keep me nice and cool. Grace, Grace, say bye-bye. 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 She looks to the front door.